Hello, thank you for joining our group today. We are so excited to have you here expressing your creativity.
So today we're going to be talking about safety. Safety is the things that we do every day that help keep us from danger. For example, one way that I like to stay safe is I always wear my mask in public.
Hi, I'm Lydia. I stay safe by looking both ways before I cross the street.
I'm Ellie, and I stay safe by wearing a seatbelt when I'm in the car.
I'm Quinn, and I stay safe by knowing where my fire extinguisher is.
I'm Nicole, and I stay safe by not talking to strangers. All right, so thank you everyone for sharing awesome examples of ways we can stay safe. And now for you at home, we would like for you guys to share ideas with us. So we're going to ask you to draw them out.
Now we are going to walk you through your project for this week. In your kit, you'll find drawing materials and the lamp cutout. You can collect these materials at the end of the video. For now, enjoy the video while we explain what you will be creating today.
Coal miners worked in dangerous situations, but they had tools and protection such as lamps and helmets to provide safety during their job. Although we are not in this form of danger, there are tools we have all around us to provide us with a safe well-being.
In our example, we are creating drawings of ways we can stay safe that we talked about earlier. We would like to invite you to think about some ways you keep yourself safe. In your art kit, please find the paper with the lamp cutout on it and pick out art materials you can draw with.
These are ways we thought of to keep ourselves safe. Ellie always wears a seatbelt in the car to stay safe. Lydia looks both ways when she crosses the street to stay safe. Nicole said she stays safe by making sure she avoids talking to strangers. Alexis stays safe by wearing a mask when she goes in public. Quinn stays safe by knowing where the fire extinguisher is in her home.
Now that you understand the activity, it's your turn to create. Draw what you use to stay safe and decorate your lamp.
Hi, I'm Katie. I'm going to be showing you how to create a design using scratch art. For this activity, you will need your large piece of scratch art paper and any materials you can find that you might want to draw things with. The cool thing about scratch art is that you can use household items or things that don't cost much money to scratch your design onto your paper. You could use a toothpick, a pencil, a pen tip, or even a penny or a quarter. You can use the end of a paintbrush, a paper clip, or other things with an edge that you can come up with. What I'm showing you here is an example of scratch art. The idea behind scratch art is that it is basically lots of colors under a chalky black surface. When you scrape away at this black surface, it reveals lots of different colors and patterns that you might not even imagine. So looking here, you can start to imagine the darkness that the coal miners used to work inside. Just like they used a lamp to make it light inside, you can scratch away at the surface of your page to actually make light designs that have a bright and vibrant energy. They look wonderful against a dark background. Here's the piece that I created. Now it's your turn. Create any cool, bright design that you like, which could help you remember that if you were in a dark place, there is always a way to find a light source. Thank you for joining me. I hope you have a great time creating your piece.